Hey everyone! For today's project, I'm doing a tiny diorama inside a tin jar. So for this project, you're gonna need some balsa wood, an empty tin jar. You can buy these tin jars at the craft store, but you could also repurpose old candy or peppermint jars. I use mine as a travel paint kit and I find them really versatile. I get asked quite a lot what kind of glue I use, and I use white wood glue from the hardware store. You could also use craft glue or paper glue from the art store. It's just the one I get from the hardware store is way cheaper. And it works really well with any kind of surface from paper, wood, tin. Really, it glues everything. For this part, I'm just painting the balsa wood, and I'm using wood paint that I had on hand, but you could also use heavily diluted acrylic paints and it works the same way. For this part, it got a bit messy with the glue, so I made sure to wipe the glue off once I was happy with positioning. Also, once it was fully dry, I did give the whole thing a coat of Mod Podge furniture, and it removes any sort of glossy residue from the glue. Also, the Mod Podge gives it a bit more protection because balsa wood is kind of soft, so you can scrape it pretty easily, and also it brings out the vibrancy of the wood color a bit more out. Also, in the next step, I printed out some book covers, and again, my inkjet is not the best and the colors are really not that vibrant, so I used the same Mod Podge on the covers just to get a bit more contrast. To make the bookshelves more authentic, I printed a bunch of like old ephemera. So I found old vintage maps and I printed them and then aged the edges a bit. Also, I did a few stacks of papers and some tiny envelopes, and I think it really makes it more realistic than just having books inside. I had some candles from a previous project, so I just put them inside because I think it looks really nice. But they're just made from polymer clay and the wick is black wire. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I like that it has a lid so it doesn't collect dust, but I hope you guys give it a try, and I will see you in the next one.